I didn't expect to find company so soon. Wow, this is even worse than I imagined. She's really sunk deep. I know, but look at those tires. They're still holding pressure in the mud. We'll need to assess the structural integrity of the rear section before we even think about the interior. And the corrosion runs deep here. We'll need to reinforce the frame. The rear cargo section shows extensive peeling paint and severe structural corrosion. This deep water damage could compromise the lower hull. The dashboard and console are covered in algae. These wires look water damaged. It's definitely a write-off. Welcome to the SHERP N1200. She's seen better days, but we're starting with the guts here. Oxidized gauges, shattered lenses, plenty of work ahead. SHERP, seriously wrecked. Decades of neglect. We've got our work cut out for us in here. The recovery equipment is here. Let's secure the rigging and begin extraction. We need to assess the structural integrity of the hull immediately. Let's see if this old girl moves. Slowly now, engage the winch. Don't rush it. Just need to be careful not to damage the underlying metal. Look at that rust. Keep it coming, slowly but surely. Look at that come off. The engine is pristine. Now, let's look at the electricals. Everything looks factory new. The tires look perfect. We're ready for the next stage. The fresh rubber is in pristine condition, showing no wear. This new tread design will provide excellent traction. The heavy suspension arms are pristine.
Yeah.
No rust, no damage. Perfect.
Perfect.
Ready for inspection. The sealing systems have arrived. Everything looks perfect. The seal appears to be in perfect factory condition. No damage. Organizing these new hydraulic lines.
Yeah.
Checking the fittings. Everything looks factory fresh. Precision machined, pristine. Ready for the SHERP. This dashboard looks pristine.
Yeah.
Checking the connectors. Perfect condition, ready for installation. Excellent condition, no scratches at all. Ready for inventory.
Output is strong and clear, ready for installation.
The cabin glass panels are in factory new condition. Precision check complete.
Ready for
Clarity confirmed. Ready for assembly. The cooling system has arrived.
Furniture.
These radiators are in perfect condition.
Now inspecting the hoses.
Wiring harness looks perfect. Transmission assembly, check. Radiator, check.
Check.
Control modules, check.
Torque wrench engaged. Securing final fastener.
Line it up. Carefully. Easy. Perfect. The engine is now complete and ready for the chassis.
Starting on the front cabin panels now, still a lot of rust to clear here. Ready for application. Ready for primer. The surface looks ready for sanding now.
Ready for primer now.
Ready.
We're applying the high visibility lemon lime coating now. The gloss finish is crucial for the final look.
We are applying the high visibility lemon lime yellow now. The gloss is incredible.
The base coat is applying smoothly. We are using the high visibility lemon lime yellow specified by the client. And that's the final torque sequence on the rear hub. Ready for testing. Pressure systems checked and secured.
Easy, just a little lower now. That's it. Okay, lower it slowly. Just a few more millimeters to the left.
Torque settings confirmed.
Easy. Wait for the latch.
Yeah.
Okay, seated. Lock it in. Good to go.
And the primary display links directly into the CAN bus here. Securing the central control unit now. Power systems are nominal. Dashboard assembly complete.
Easy now, just a little lower. Aligning the seal. Okay, hold it right there.
Inspection complete. Everything is factory fresh and ready for final testing. Final assembly complete. The N1200 is expedition ready. All systems verified. Suspension articulation is perfect. We are ready for operational testing. Final inspection complete. Systems are nominal. Ready for testing. All systems are online. Power levels nominal. Ready for operational testing. Steering response is fully nominal.